Hi, this is Mark from LongIslandWatch.com, and true to my word, I've got Orient Kamasu bezels for you today. I got two of them, just like I did with the Mako and the Ray. I did a sub-style edge and a coin edge. So these are going to be for the Kamasu, which is also known as like the Mako 3. The Ray Mako bezels that we already sell don't fit the Kamasu. As some people found out, it's too large. But this is for the Kamasu, and like the Mako and Ray bezels, they take SKX007 insert. You cannot reuse the Kamasu insert. It's different. It's got notches. Everything about it's different. But any 007 insert that we sell or that you can get from any of your favorite modding places will fit this insert. So it's really a cool way to dress up your Kamasu. So we will take a very quick look at them today. There's really not that much to show. I don't know, I seem to be going through the same watches all the time. The White Dial Islander and then that Field Watch prototype. I figure this will probably hit sometime next year, early next year, in 4 different dial variations. Let's see these cool bezels. So let's get started. This is the Orient Kamasu. Came out, I'd say, I think over a year ago, actually. It's got sapphire crystal. It's a beautiful Orient. As I said, it's also known as the Mako 3. We sell it. But pretty much ever since it came out, people have been asking for bezels for the watch. And, you know, like I did with the original Mako and Ray, in the Ray 1 and Ray 2, I went out and manufactured my own. So I want to just, here's the watch with the sub-style bezel. Its part numbers B15 and B16 that we sell. They're $39. I want to preface this conversation with just a quick PSA. Right now, as far as I can tell, getting the original OEM bezel off the Kamasu is a dog. It was extremely difficult. I did wind up actually damaging the bezel. It bent, it folded in half virtually. I had to really pry it off. I don't know. I've talked to a couple of people who have done the same thing, and the factory that made the bezel for me, they said the same thing. They said it was very difficult to get off, but it does come off. So if you're a little shy about it, it doesn't pop off like a Ray. So maybe you want to bring it to a pro, at least to remove the bezel. Once it's off, taking my aftermarket bezels on and off are actually really simple. Here's the coin edge. Always comes with the gasket installed, and here's the sub. So you want to get an idea of what you can do. Again, you guys have seen me do this. Oh, by the way, it is 120 click. And I also want to say that I found very conveniently that SKX007 click springs work on the Kamasu. Not only work, it's a perfect drop-in replacement. So here's like a sapphire, dual time look, if you like this look. Here is that standard kind of SKX dive insert. And obviously, I guess I really need to say it, but I'll show it. You use a loom insert, you're going to get loom, a really nice loom effect. Again, guys, I am not installing these. I'm just placing them. But you can see the bezel rotates nice. I don't want to seat it. I'd seat it down, because once it's seated down, it's difficult for me to pop it back out. And then maybe you like a touch of green. Again, I didn't put it in straight. I could probably rotate it with my fingers back the other way. Or I can go like this. You get the idea, though. It looks really nice. So now, this was the sub. Let's check out just one insert, I guess, on the coin edge. I do want to show you how easily the bezels that I had produced come out. I have every tool known to man for removing bezels, including this Bergeon tool, Swiss-made tool, which ran me about $600 or $700. But the bezels that I produced, they actually, let me just go to the right angle, they kind of snap off. Like that. And here you can see, here's that SKX spring. You will see the case on this guy is a little bit mangled. Like I said, I'm not a watchmaker, and I really went at it to get that bezel off. I wasn't too concerned about damaging the watch because I knew what I'd be using the watch for when I was done. But here's that coin edge bezel, and they actually, that's it. It's on. It snaps on like that. It snaps on, but you're not going to pry it off with your hands or your finger. You're not. You need a tool, something like this, or a case back knife to get it off. But that's what she's going to look like. And then if you want to just really quick, I'll go with your traditional 007 bezel. It looks awesome. It's a hit. Guys, great upgrade for your watch. Your Kamasu, make it your Kamasu your way if you want. And that's about it. This has been Mark from LongIslandWatch.com showing you 2 new bezels for the Orient Kamasu. Part numbers B15-P and B16-P, the P for polished. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. If you have any questions or comments, put them down below, and I'll be sure to address them as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.